Hello, hope you're all well. Got the cold press watercolour paper all taped down, and I've got this very thin tape, and I thought it'd be very, very fun to sort of make a grid with this. So I'm just going to go approximately halfway, put a little line across, and again I am going to go halfway, put another line across. I had to stand up to do this so I can see better, to try and get these as equal as possible. Very, very difficult sitting down and trying to picture where these are going to go. Now this is the difficult bit, because I'm not going to go halfway, I'm going to try and do a third, but whether that's going to work out, look alright, I don't know. Let's give it a go anyway. Sort of like noughts and crosses kind of pattern here. I don't know whether you've ever played that game when you were young. It's got an extra line here, but hey ho. Okay, making sure that's taped down. Not perfect, as you can see, but not going to worry about it. So I've got my MIELIANG watercolors, and I thought it'd be nice to use maybe this yellow colour. Got a bit of green in it. Gonna get that on the page. Bring it down. Just across. Any downside of these MIELIANG watercolours, they give a lovely, lovely colour, that's for sure. But I can't get my big brushes in because the pans are so small, which is unfortunate. Because I just love to slap the paint down. Get it on as quick as I can. But it's not going to happen this time. So I'm going to go in for this green here. Get that in as well. So you have to keep going in and grabbing a little bit more to get that on. And I haven't got a hand to hold on to my page. I might go for a blue colour. Let's try this blue. See what this looks like. I'm just letting all of the colours merge together. Just letting that happen. I'm just seeing what colour happens when they all mix together. Sometimes the green goes a bit more blue and the blue goes a bit more sort of turquoisey. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. I've let that dry. Well, it's still a little bit wet, to be honest. I've got a Posca pen in blue, and I thought it'd be quite fun to do some mark making with this. So just trying to think, what shall I do here? And I think I'm just going to follow the lines that I can see. Just give it a little bit of definition. You can see that line comes across there. Maybe that goes around there. And just literally follow what I can see and just see what happens. Following these paint marks with my blue pen. It's quite therapeutic to do because you don't have to think about it. You look at your page, think, what shall I do? And I had no idea, and then I just thought, right, okay, loads of marks on here. Let's just follow them and see where it leads us. So then I've got a yellow Posca pen. I think we can add some marks onto the dark blue. Got a green pen as well, so we'll add some greenery. decided that I would outline with the green before I go any further. See what that looks like. Make a decision. Do I continue or do I stop? I wish I could have you with me and you could tell me what you thought. So when I'd finished with my Posca pens, I was a bit like, well, I still want to continue with this. So what else can I use? So I thought, well, oil pastels would be good. And I've chosen similar colours. So I've got a blue, green and yellow. And I'm just smudging that lovely oil pastel onto the page, and it's working really well, I think. Just gives it a bit of dimension because we've got the pens and they're pretty fine really, their nibs are. This just offers a thicker kind of lovely waxy kind of finish on the page, so it looks really, really different and it's really, really fun to do. So just adding some marks here and there, some round marks, and then doing some more line work. And just whatever comes into my mind, I'm looking at the page, looking at the spaces I've got and just adding that. So I've heated up the tape and I'm just releasing my lovely crossy shapes, and I think they look really, really nice. So I was really pleased when I peeled off that tape, and peeling off the main tape here, and then I'm going to bring it up so you can see the lovely picture. So I think it's worked really well, but let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you. Is this something you're going to try? Would you use these colours or would you use other colours? Let me know. If you like this, please like, please subscribe, and then you will be able to get to see all my lovely pictures that come out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and if you get a chance and you have the option, please hype, and that will be brilliant. Okay, well, have a great day. See you soon. Bye.